and welcome to Ever Bilena Makeup Beauty Tutorial. Alam nyo ba, nowadays talagang in na ang slim at elongated face. At alam nyo bang mas madali nyo na yan ma-achieve with a few makeup techniques. And you can also learn easy contouring with Ever Bilena products. Let's start with EB Advanced Studio Finish Stick Foundation in Beige, which is darker than my skin tone. Through this, you could slim down your face by putting it sa iyong temples and jawline. Use sponge to blend. Lock the foundation in place with EB Advanced Two-Way Cake in white beige. Pat on areas like the forehead, cheeks, chin, as well as the neck. Contour your cheeks naman gamit ang Ever Bilena Max Single Blush on in tan. Ang technique is to suck in your cheeks to locate your cheekbones. Then swipe the blush from the top corner of the ear directly under your cheekbones. Then lightly sweep Ever Bilena Cheek Blush in cheek. Smile to locate the apples of your cheeks. Look how my face slimmed down. Try these techniques with the help of Ever Bilena products na siguradong perfect na makeup look for any occasion. Watch out for more tips from Ever Bilena Beauty Makeup Tutorial to achieve the beauty that you deserve. Dahil with Ever Bilena, beauty shines in you.
Ang bahaging ito ay inihatid sa inyo ng Ever Bilena.
Beauty shines from our heart. Beauty that no one can take away from us.
What makes me really shine? Ever Bilena. It's everything I need.
My face is radiant with complete line of facial makeup, various tones and shades.
For different skin types. My eyes reveal true feelings with fabulous lines of eye makeup. Shadow, line,
Brighten.
I can speak my heart out with fantastic lines for the lips. I feel complete.
EB, beauty shines in you.
Kailangan